Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hidayat. This time I will configuration Firewall Log. By default, Firewall Log will record, activate and process the action on the router and store the log in RAM. The list of record can be seen in the log. And this is topology game using one client, laptop, and one router. This is configuration I am using check input. Step configuration, open your Winbox and remote your router. And the first configuration identity router. Type system identity, set name, this is your free using name. This is I am using name Arnold. And this is the result. Identity router has been success changed. And next configuration IP address for interface local or IP private for client. Type interface print for the check interface using. This is I am using interface data 3 for client. And this is the IP address at address 192.168.10.1/24 and interface header 1. I'm sorry, interface header 3. Next, check configuration IP address, type IP address print. This is your success configuration IP address. And next, configuration IP address in client. Click open network and click change adapter option. Click change adapter option and this is interface Ethernet and click properties and next choose internet protocol version 4 and create IP address using same network in router. And this is I'm using 10.2 and default gateway using IP in router. And click OK, click OK. And test ping to IP router ping 192.168.10.1 using CMD. This is the result is reply. The router, the laptop client success connect to router. And next back again to Winbox. And this is I will configuration IP firewall filter and change input and search address using 192.168.10.0/24 and protocol I am using HCMP and action and drop and click enter and check configuration firewall filter print. This is the configuration change input, action drop and protocol HCMP and source address 10.0. This is your test ping again. This is the client is success net drop. And next configuration firewall log. Type IP firewall filter, set number 0 and log is yes. Log yes and click enter. Check configuration IP firewall filter print. This is you can see log is yes. And your check log print. This is the configuration log in the router. And test again ping to router. This is the packet is in drop. Then bisa request timeout. And this is check again the log print. This is the log interface at 3 and source MAC address my router in firewall input. This is the info in configuration firewall tool using log success. And thank you.